Hey guys, Connor Brewster here, back for another video spline lesson for you guys. Today we're going to be learning how to make these awesome little cursor following designs. You can make all types. You can make them any way that you want. You can use your logo or any kind of weird shape or design that you make. And then you can embed it into your website and have a cool, unique cursor. And it doesn't have to be something as crazy, big, and obnoxious as this is, but I just figured this would be a fun way to teach you guys how to use this transition and effect. And yeah, so let's get started. Stay tuned to the end if you're 30 or anywhere close to it like me. You see Dobby from the Wild Thornberries here, so we got a special surprise coming for you at the end of this video, so please stay tuned to the end. And here's a little preview at what we're going to be working on at the end of part 2 of this video. But first, here's some footage that Spline just released today, speaking about their new feature. The announcement says, today we are launching the Spline Viewer, a new and easy way to embed 3D on your website. It includes interactions inside and outside the canvas, new scroll events and page scroll detections, and new play settings, and the option to fine-tune the touch settings. It also just implies that embedding your projects to your websites is going to be a lot easier now. You know, for normal folks who don't know the extra backside of coding and just want to be able to use Spline to make their finished projects and just be able to embed and export them easily. So. Sounds exciting. Can't wait to see if it works properly. Alright, so here we have 4 icosahedrons. I think that's the closest I've ever gotten. One's 100 in size, diameter, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, 100, 80, 60, 40. So I'm going to select them all for now, and I'm gonna center them on the Y and the Z axis, so they're all lined up. Just real quick, we're gonna add an event that will happen at the start. It's a transition, and what it's gonna do is it's just going to sorry, it's not a start. It's going to follow the cursor. So you click where it says start to edit the type of event, scroll all the way down, and click follow. So it'll follow the cursor. So that should happen right away. We got the big one following the cursor. Alright? So I'm also going to add another transition that happens at the start. And that's the difference between the base state and the state. It's rotating 360 degrees on this weird axis. So basically it's just spinning the whole time. So instead of having this ease in and ease out thing, I'm setting this to linear, so it looks like it's going the same speed at all times. I'm going to set the loop to infinite and cycle to none, so it keeps spinning in the same direction for the entire time. Alright, so we're going to press play on that. Now it's following the mouse, doing its spin. Maybe it's a little too fast, so what we'll do is we will hit the start transition, and we'll have it do that once every 3 seconds instead of once every 1 second. So now it's got a little bugs going on, but we got a rotating isodecahedron following the mouse. Alright, there we go. So now what I'm going to do is right click that, copy events, click this next one, make sure it's clear, and paste events. So now we got the follow and the start spin going on. So we got to make sure we do the state and the base state, adding 360. So that one's spinning as well. And then we'll actually make that one go a little slower, so we have a little bit of a change going on. And what we're going to do is, instead of this one following the cursor, it's going to follow the yellow. We'll have it offset by, let's say 30, and we'll set the damping to 20. That damping makes it kind of stay off and slow down a little bit, so it's not directly on the yellow ball, but kind of a little bit following it, and there'll be a little bit of slowness to that happening. So let's try. It's got this bug issue that happens, but so now we got a green one following the yellow one, but I think they're intersecting too much. So what I might actually do is just take the whole thing and just turn the scale down to maybe 65 for everyone. This lock will make sure it changes all of them at once. You can hold shift as well. It does the same thing. See, I forgot to do it there. So undo, Control Command Z, lock it, bring it down to 65, lock it, bring it down to 65. So now I'm going to move these a little closer. We'll do that align on the Y and the Z again. And we're going to copy the events, paste the events. Oops, not material. Alright, I got 10 seconds left in the 5 minutes, but yeah, we're going to copy the events and apply them to all the other ISO whatevers, and I will see you for part 2. Thanks so much, guys.